Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to turn a website into an app on your MacBook. Your Mac can save websites as standalone apps that open in their own window, and it only takes a few clicks to set up. So first, open Safari on your Mac. Then go to the website you want to turn into an app. Once the website fully loads, move to the top left corner and click File in the menu bar. Then click Add to Dock. A small window will appear showing the website name and icon. You can also rename the app if you want. Now click Add. Your Mac will automatically create the web app. You'll now see the website app in your dock. Click it to open the site like a normal app. The website should now open in its own separate window without normal browser tabs. This makes it feel more like a dedicated desktop app. If you no longer want the app, you can also drag it out of the dock anytime. And that's how to turn a website into an app on your MacBook. If this video helped you, give us a like and subscribe for more easy Mac tutorials.